A trolley and a child of total mass 200 kg is moving with uniform speed 36 km per hour on a frictionless track. So, a trolley and a child of mass 200 kg is moving on a frictionless track with speed 36 km per hour, that is equal to 10 meter per second. Now, the child of mass 20 kg starts running on the trolley from one end to other with a speed 10 meter per second relative to the trolley in the direction of motion of the trolley. So his child starts moving with relative velocity with respect to trolley with 10 meter per second, where length of the trolley is given to be 10 meter. Mass of the child is 20 kg, so mass of the trolley is 180 kg. Now it says that in the direction of trolley's motion and jumps out of the trolley with the same relative velocity. Now we need to find what is the final speed of the trolley and how much has the trolley moved from the time the child begins to run and just before jump. So initially the trolley was moving along with the boy at a speed 10 meter per second, and afterwards the boy starts running with relative velocity 10 meter per second with respect to trolley. So afterwards let us assume that the velocity of the trolley to be v when the boy starts running. So by conservation of momentum, initial momentum is 200 kg into 10 meter per second, that is initial momentum, that is equal to final momentum. Final momentum is 180 into v plus velocity of the child with respect to ground is v plus 10. So here from we have 200 into 10 is equal to 200v plus 200, or v is equal to 200 into 10 minus 200 by 200, that is equal to 9 meter per second. So when the boy starts running, the velocity of the trolley is 9 meter per second. Now the boy travels a relative distance of 10 meter on the trolley before jumping out of the trolley. So time taken is equal to a relative distance by a relative speed. A relative distance is 10 meter and relative speed is 10 meter per second. So the child takes 1 second to jump off the trolley. Within that 1 second, distance travelled by trolley is equal to speed of the trolley into time taken, that is 9 meter per second into 1 second, that is equal to 9 meter. So when the boy jumps out of the trolley, within that time the trolley travels a distance of 9 meter.